Hey, it's Margie with the Asking Spot, and I have got another side table, end table tray. I don't know what this thing is, but it was a curb find, and I like working with metal. And well, I don't like seeing things go into a landfill that shouldn't. Do I need this piece in my life? No. Do I think I could sell it? Probably not, but I can at least salvage it. So here goes. Same drill as always. Gonna clean it first, then sand it, and then, painting time. Because it's got some pitting, it didn't quite smooth out as much as I'd like. I'm gonna give this a shot again.
Spray.
Okay. So I'm gonna let this dry better and then sand it, I guess.
Spray. Meanwhile,
But it went wrong.
Tried using this because it's a flat, and yeah, it doesn't look so good. So now I'm going to try this. I made some mistakes with these. This one and this one. Yeah, here's the thing. The reason they are kind of big mistakes is because I knew better. If you watch my video on the bathroom remodel, I did this kind of thing on, what is the differences in the paint finishes and when you should use what for what. And yeah, flat paint used in ceiling paints to cover uneven surfaces. It's a great way to camouflage it. And yet, here these two are nice and shiny and they're totally uneven. Okay, so with this one, I'm just gonna go and get a matte black. Now I could go back to the matte silver paint, but that nickel flat finish paint, I'm out of it and I don't really wanna buy more because I'm not gonna be, running around painting a lot of things with that. Famous last words. But, and because of that, I don't really wanna, it's not like this piece is gonna get sold. It's not gonna go for a client. It's gonna sit on our lanai. So the other way to camouflage is with print. And that means stenciling. Yeah.
But you suck at it.
I'm not really good at stenciling, so we'll try. We'll see. I'm leaving this in mainly as a lesson to myself. I can't stencil. I don't know what it is. I try very hard, but I can't stencil. That's a stencil brush. I was doing a little dab on the cardboard or on the lid. Doing everything you're supposed to is yeah. No, not good. Here we go. Well, you can tell the top didn't really work. I mean, maybe if I had used sort of a better pattern, I might have liked it. But I also think perhaps the triple digits and humidity, it's getting to me. Because my plan was to go to the hardware store and just get some flat black paint that could then camouflage the unevenness and maybe add some decorative effects to it. But then I got there and I was like, whoa, what's this? It's called Hammered Black. And it actually has a texture in it deliberately, but yet it's shiny. So I'm gonna give it a shot. All right, before we look at the final results and take a look back at where we started, I did want to ask you if you could please give a thumbs up. Click the subscribe button. It helps out the channel immensely, and it's free. So here's with the product review. I can't really give you a review on this because I don't think it'd be fair. I mean, my initial opinion was I liked it better the way it was, just the non-sandable, just how it was. Like when I did my bathroom one, I'll do one of these and one of these. But here's the problem I have. I thought that this said don't use in temperatures above 95, but it actually said 90. And then on top of that, my husband came home when I was working on it. It's like, kiddo, do you realize it's 103? So, yeah. That's why I can't say it was anywhere near a fair test on this product. But undoubtedly, I will have more opportunities to try it out. And now, without further ado, you've seen what it looks like before. And let's take a look at where it looks like now. And thanks so much for watching the Asking Spot. Even surfaces. And I actually had a pretty good thing going there. That knife here in my face is so hot. More rusted metal piece. So here's the thing. This. At first I was going to go flat black